Hello everyone. So cat is done and सबको बड़ा धक्का लगा yesterday obviously because cat no matter how well you are prepared एक बड़ा धक्का होता है. Congratulations to everyone who scored very well in the cat. Who is expecting to score very well in the cat, I would say actually. And जिन जिन का नहीं हुआ, don't worry, मैं हूँ ना. So I'm basically making this video for everyone to help you plan ahead कि अब क्या करना है. कल का एक दिन हो गया that हाय मेरा कैट खराब गया, ये हुआ वो हुआ, you slept, you woke up and that is done. Today you have to start planning ahead. You don't have time, well sadly you don't have time to actually spend more days planning on what can be done, what should be done or everything. So that is why I'm here to help you out with the entire plan. कैसे प्लान करना है, that is something that is the most important. So pay very close attention to today's video. I won't, well, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करूंगा and we'll start immediately. Yeah. So yeah, cat done. Now what? Most people are the most confused at this point. Now, first of all, I must tell you that one thing that all students are wrong with, because I was a student just last year tak, and I'll tell you that absolutely almost every student gets this wrong. That is that know where you stand. Most people think that cat दे दिया, oh my god मैंने बहुत बड़ा पड़ाव पार कर लिया. नहीं. Starting a preparation for cat is not even a step I would consider. Taking the cat is literally the first step that you are taking. So you are literally right here. Because क्या होता है, देखो कैट तुमने अभी दे दी, रिजल्ट आएगा जनवरी में, तुम्हारा एडमिशन प्रोसेस होगा मार्च अप्रैल मई में. So there is a long time for that. But what if cat नहीं हुआ? What if you are putting yourself in a very very pendulated state? बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन में रख रहे हो तुम अपने आप को. The way that the process should go is that cat दो, कौन सी एग्जाम्स तुम्हें देनी है, बाकी जो तुम दे सकते हो, टेक द अदर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स, then the admission processes which might be the GDPI or a cap round, that is for CET, and finally reach an MBA college. तुम अभी नहीं, तुम अगले साल MBA college जाओगे. Be very sure about all of that. But the worst thing that most students do is that take all other exams and see, trust me, if I am a classes and if I have lectures and courses and mocks for each and every test that is out there, I'll tell you हर एक mock लो, हर एक exam दो, so that कहीं ना कहीं हो जाएगा. But you know what will happen? You will literally be paying attention at 10 different places और एक जगह भी अच्छे से नहीं होगा. See what I'm saying, I'll explain very well. अगर समझो तुमने कैट दी, you know your level, you internally know your level के क्या है, that मैंने कैट दी, मुझे मॉक्स में आ रहे थे 50-60%, मैंने कैट सीरियसली नहीं दी है. So what if I take IIFT, SNAP, NMAT, ZAT, TISNET, जो अभी एक महीने में है, it is literally एक महीने में. Now understand, out of this, IIFT and ZAT are even more difficult than CAT. अगर मैंने इतने टाइम से कैट की तैयारी नहीं की है प्रॉपरली और मैं ये देने जाऊं, there is no way that you'll be able to clear it. But क्या होगा पता है, तुम इसकी 3,000 की फीस दे बैठोगे, 6,000 उधर गए, हवा हो गए 6,000 रुपए. देन आता है NMAT, SNAP. NMAT, SNAP you might be able to score like, समझो NMAT में तुम्हें 200 मार्क्स आ जाएंगे, 250 मार्क्स आ जाएंगे. But understand that तुम 250 मार्क्स लाके भी कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे, because you won't get NM Mumbai, which is the top college there. बाकी सारी कॉलेजेस में जाके you'll end up losing money because you won't get enough return. तो क्या फायदा, तुम वापस वहां पे एग्जाम के पैसे डालोगे एंड फीस के भी पैसे डालोगे. Similarly with SNAP, if you are not getting the top college, it's not worth it. So you must, and TISNET already seats बहुत कम है, and ये सब literally एक महीने में है. Is it worth it? Are you at the level? But if you can take these exams, or you should take these exams, if you are already scoring like 85-90% in your mock test, that is when you must take all these exams. So अब समझो कि तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए. First gauge where you are, and to make this example simpler, the best way to say it is, जब तुम actually first time gym जाते हो तब. A smart person, a good trainer, a personal trainer will not tell you कि पहले दिन पे 50 का डंबल उठा. He'll tell you पहला दिन है 5 का डंबल उठा. You know what the idiots do? जिन लोगों को दिमाग नहीं आता, जो लोग जिम जाके बाद में बोलते हैं मुझे तो कुछ जिम से फर्क नहीं पड़ा. These are the people who are with the idiots attitude. वो पहले दिन जाके जितना हो सके उतनी कैपेसिटी का वजन उठा लेते हैं. They see YouTube videos, they do a lot of bullshit and करके they will pick up the heavy weights, hoping that कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. To put it in your context, a person who has a master's attitude will be a person who will gauge कि मैं कौन सी एग्जाम्स लूं, कौन सी एग्जाम्स मेरे लिए वर्थ है, एंड कौन सी एग्जाम्स में मैं क्रैक करके अच्छी वाली कॉलेज जा सकता हूं. and an idiot will take all the exams thinking अरे कहीं ना कहीं तो मेरा कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. No, it won't happen that way. It don't be so hopeful, because your hope is literally putting you in a bad place. Be logical, not hopeful. That is what you need to do. And I understand all of you are very confused. I won't take up a lot of time. I have something that will really help you out. I have so basically, to choose your exams, I know all of you are confused there. I have a personal one-to-one guidance session that I've started just now. I'm literally releasing it today for you guys. You can book a one-to-one session with me. I'm going to take it only till 31st December, because honestly, literally, I nobody has that much time that I can take so many students come one-to-one sessions. You can book it. After that, you can decide if you want to join the Crack Every Test course. For all the people who don't know it, you can stay. For all the people who know the Crack Every Test course, you already know what it is about. Apart from that, also the result, don't worry, I'll be making a video on our result. I am absolutely elated with the results that we have gotten. My students have way past my expectations when it comes to getting the great percentiles or getting the colleges that the dream college. I won't even have to name the dream college. You guys know it. So yeah, way past my expectations. I'm very happy with the results. Us pe video jaldi banegi. I'm just waiting for the official admissions to happen. So for all of you who know need guidance or anything, I'm right here. You can go to my website. Website ka link wahan pe diya hai, and or you can call us directly and just book a one-to-one consultation with me. Apart from that, you already know about us, but you know the previous course. The new course is absolutely different. We have 6 sessions every week. Last course mein khali 19 lectures the. Is bar we have 6 sessions each and every week. We are working on your GDPI skills from now. आज से like already तुम्हारे GDPI की skills पे काम चल रहा है. We have an active book club to help you with your English. English is no issue, maths is no issue, logic is no issue. Everything we are working on individually. सबके लिए lectures है. We have weekly test. हर टॉपिक पे ऑलमोस्ट टेस्ट होती है. वी आर टेकिंग टेस्ट ईच एंड एवरी वीक, assessing where each and every student stands, and that is something that has helped out a lot of students. Apart from that, live doubt solving and everything that happens only. And obviously, if you're an enrolled student, you get one-to-one sessions and much more. To give you an idea कि exactly क्या होता है, how the Crack Every Test course is. So this is the calendar. This is how busy our entire month is, where we have sessions almost each and every day. Unless there is something where we can't take a lecture. November dekho, December dekho, January dekho, we have lectures planned out for each and everything. Apart from that, if you already see the course is already at this level, so the later you join, the more you miss out on. It's basically you'll be joining our course, and it's just that you'll be starting a preparation late if you join us late. But still, I'm pretty sure that you will miss out on nothing, because jo bhi sare lectures hai, you get the recordings of each and every lecture. You will not miss out on anything. Virtually, you're missing out on nothing. And I'll just make sure that you have a day-to-day timetable. So पूरे दिन में क्या करना है, ये पूरा timetable मैंने दिया है. The timetable differs month to month. Every month I update the timetable. And we also have this vocabulary sheet. This is something that has helped the students a lot the last year. So basically, English के लिए, grammar के लिए, this is one thing that helped out all our students the most. You put in the words, you put in the work, and I'll make sure that I'm checking each and every word कि क्या हो रहा है. I'll give you a feedback on what is right, what is wrong. So this is what it goes on. हर student को डालना है. There are students who put in words every day. If you see, there are too many words. वो सब मैं check करता हूँ. Everything gets checked, and I make sure that each and every part where you need help, that is covered. And so yeah, a few parting words. I would say, don't get stressed. Don't get stressed. Cat अकेला exam नहीं है. Don't get too happy. Cat अकेला exam नहीं है. And तुम अकेले student नहीं हो. So it is a thing to be happy about. It's a thing to be concerned about, but it's not something to stress about. So कोई stress लेने की जरूरत नहीं. There is a lot of stuff ahead, and I just hope to hear from all of you very, 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 very soon. चलो, bye guys.